Yes.
would have been so much better.
Agreed. People complain about the golden not being golden, but then they don't like learn about the lore at all.
Oh, I know
It's about
El Dorado.
Yeah.
Although
Yeah.
El Dorado, doesn't it have like a kind of golden city part at the end?
Yes.
Yeah, the golden does have the end screen, which is, but that
I mean-
they should have done an actual golden. They should have done the last part to be the city.
That would have been really
Last part to be-
cool. I would like that if that was
I
the
mean, I really
case.
like the
I feel like
golden
that
city.
meant,
It's
Yeah.
some sort of like adventure through like a jungle. And it feels like an adventure through the jungle to find the golden city, in my opinion.
One of the reasons I like Zodiac more than the Golden is I think
I just beat Jigsaw! What?
You beat Jigsaw?
I beat
What?
Jigsaw!
Jigsaw?
I beat Jigsaw!
You did?
Oh my
It's
god!
over, dude. It's over. You did it.
Oh my
You
god, I
did
beat Jigsaw! What?
oh my god,
What?
GG!
What?
You beat it. Oh my god, you beat it.
Oh my fucking god! Yes!
Yes!